Hi property viewers and welcome back to another property tour. I am your host Realtor M and sitting behind me is a bungalow house located in BF West Executive, Parañaque City. But before I tour you around, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Also, please follow our page on Facebook and Instagram. So, let's go! Before entering the property, you can see that there are bamboo trees here, a mini pocket garden, a pedestrian gate, and a manual gate for your car. On this side, dito nyo ipapark yung car. So, at least 2 cars will fit on your car garage. And this area, if napapansin nyo, this will lead you going straight to the maids quarter, another bedroom, which later na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Separate yung bedroom na to from the main house. Then, on this side, this is the access going to your kitchen. Nakita niyo yung facade, mukha siyang 2 floors or 2-story yung house. Pero actually, 1 floor lang siya. Bungalow lang talaga siya. This area, this will lead you to your main door. So, you have this small pocket garden here na may mga bamboo trees. And then your main door, which is automated. Upon entering from the main door, this area could be your living area or your entertainment area. And then dito, this could be your media wall, or dito mo install yung TV or your entertainment system. And then siguro suggest ko lang lagay tayo ng floating cabinets dito and then install. Or kayo na bahala, if gusto nyo maglagay pa ng accent, which is uso ngayon yung naglalagay sila ng mga UV board accent na marble or fluted panel. So maganda din yun. Pag dumiretso tayo dito, there's a common bathroom dito. Tayong sink, meron na tayong toilet bowl, and meron tayong shower area. Ito nyo ilalagay yung dining area. So, siguro 6-seaters pwede. Maganda i-place yung dining area dito. At least may direct access na siya from the kitchen. So, this is your kitchen. As you can see, meron tayong marble finish-like na countertop dito. It's like a U-type na kitchen layout. Then, you have your sink. Meron din tayong windows dito on this side. Then, we have ample overhead cabinet. Then, meron tayong lower cabinets dito. Then, your prep table here, meron siyang accent ng wood. So, this could be your breakfast nook. So, iba pa yung dining table. So, pwede nyo gawin tong bar or breakfast nook. We have another access going outside dun sa car garage. So, ito yun. Ito yung access. Then, ito later papakita ko. It's another bedroom. So now, I'll tour you sa mga bedrooms naman. Alam nyo, yun na nga, sobrang taas nung ceiling dito. I think it's around more than 12 feet. And then, ang maganda is, hindi lang siya parang kulay puti yung ceiling. Parang naglagay pa sila ng fluted panel para mas maganda yung accent. So again, moving forward, ito yung room 1. So, a double bed, kasya na dito. You have this closet na super taas. So, marami kayong ma-store dito na clothes or personal items. Kung gusto nyo mag-upgrade, so ito yung best property siguro kasi marami pang space, marami pang pwedeng gawin based on your plans. So, there's a common bathroom here for the bedrooms. Number 1, room number 2, ito na yung sa room number 2. Sa room number 2, it's smaller than the room number 1, pero meron na din tayong installed cabinets here or closet. And this side, meron din. Then, meron naman tayong window glass dito. Para at least if you want fresh air, you can just open it. Kung ano man gusto nyong theme ng house nyo or anong gusto nyong klaseng furniture, you can put it here. Or kung ano mang mga fixtures na gusto nyo, pwede nyo ilagay dito. So, this is room number 3. This is the master's bedroom. Dito, kasya na yung king size. Then, around the corners, meron din tayong window. So, maganda yung pasok ng natural light dito sa house. Kasi most of the rooms and also the living room, puro glass panel siya and hindi lang siya yung standard na size. So, meron tayong almost floor to ceiling na glass panel. Meron tayong dito closet. So, mas malaki yung closet dito, mas malawak kasi this is the master bedroom. Then, the master bedroom has its own toilet and bath. Again, they have the sink, meron silang shower area, and then your toilet bowl or your water closet. So, this is bedroom number 3. Now, let's go to bedroom number 4. Yung bedroom number 4, dito siya, special siya kasi may special stairs siya going to your bedroom number 4. We call this the mezzanine area. You can turn this into a bedroom number 4 or you can turn this into a storage or an office area pa, especially if may mga anak ka or in the future, magkakaanak na yung family nyo. So at least you have a separate room for your office para walang nanggugulo sa inyo. So pwede din study area kung may mga anak kayo. So hindi sila madidisturbo dito. Ganito yung accent ng buong ceiling dito sa house na to. Sobrang taas ng ceiling ng house. So if isa kayo sa mga buyers na gusto nyo mataas yung ceiling, ito yung best property na pwede kong i-offer sa inyo dito sa Parañaque. And again, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maganda yung pasok ng natural light, almost covered siya ng glass panel yung itong wall dito. Now, let's go to the last bedroom or the 5th bedroom. Ito yung separate bedroom. So, meron tayong stairs. But before we go there, ang maganda sa house, hindi siya dikit sa perimeter wall nyo. The maid's quarter or driver's quarter, then utility sink, then we have a separate toilet dito naman sa labas if gusto gamitin ng maids or drivers. Okay, let's go to your 5th bedroom. If nakikita nyo from this wall, we have this glass panels and awning windows. This is facing the street doon sa front house na. Pwede ditong Japanese or Korean style na bed, yung may mattress lang dito. You have this huge space na dito na pwede nyo i-convert into your own living area, entertainment area. No, so sobrang laki. Pag may pipili na akong room, isa to sa gusto ko. Kasi separate siya sa main house, so pwede ako mag-ingay, magtugtog ng loud music without disturbing yung nasa loob. Pero maganda yung idea na there's a separate room from the main house. That's all for this house. So if you want to know more details and for property viewing, please contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, I'm your host, Realtor Ren, and see you on our next property tour.